why anyone should consider a knee replacement surgery? Because many of time people ask me why I should go. Even their son, daughter, they will ask me why she should go. She's old. Then I ask them what is her routine in a day. They'll say she doesn't do anything, she sits in a corner. So I said, can you sit in a corner of a home? Can you enjoy that life? No. Then why she should be like that? She or he should be like that. So what happens with the old age people, it starts with the knee pain. They'll take some local medicines or anything, some physical therapy. Then they will restrict themselves to the house. Then they will restrict themselves to the room. So, and they will become socially isolated slowly. If there is a function, they'll say, you go ahead, I'll not come. They'll not say, I am having knee pain because that's why I'm not coming.
These are the small things, right? But हम लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हैं